guys. Ito yung mga kasama ko. They're getting ready para umakyat.
Nandito na lahat sa aking mask.
Marami kaming kulang ngayon. Kasi yung isa nasa Himpapawid na, papunta doon sa lugar ng snow. Dito kami mag-start. Yan, dyan kami aakyat daw.
Wait lang ah. Wait ka lang. Hindi na magkasa yung bag.
Oh, may taxi.
Uy, sandali.
Ay, sus! Wala pa sa tuktok na lasyeng na.
Ha?
Dito na kami sa taas. Nagawa pang magsayaw, oh.
Sige na daw.
Sige, move! Ayan!
Ayan. Ay naman talaga si Angry Bird. Wala nang.
Ano sila, oh? Fully geared.
Para hindi tayo magkapareho, baka pag nagtanggal tayo, di nagkapalit.
Kaya
Malaki
nga.
pala ang malaki pala ang medium. Dapat small pala ano.
Oo, dapat pala. Kasi ang kinuha ko kasi sa
Yan, ready na sila. Ba't may extrang bit-bit?
tubig ko.
Hindi ba magkasya dyan sa ano?
Sa bag.
Oo, para wala kang ibang ano. Mahirap kumapit sa mga bato. Pag may extrang ano.
Hindi man.
O may signal. Sige, sumunod.
She carries the music. I'm me. ba umihi dyan?
Doon kay Star.
Diyan ang dami. Sa likod mo. Ano ko dito?
Oh, dyan daw ang aakyatin namin, oh. Imagine that. Ayan. Ano to? Rock climbing?
Rock climbing.
Nako.
Marami ko yung kasi masarap sa katawan.
Kasi tanghaling ano na eh. Tanghaling tapat na. At least itong grupo namin nagkaroon ng Star. Star, say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog. How are you doing today?
So tiring. Hirap umakyat.
This is my first time guys to be with them.
Kaya bang klase yung pagkaka-welcome sa kanya kanina? Wow, ganda ng kalangitan.
Ano ka?
Yeah. It's quite a nice beach
Do
there.
you need assistant?
How many persons still planning to go there? Two of you. It's more easier. Because you need to.
Yeah.
Naku.
Ayun tayo sa katawan mo. Ang haba ng legs. Ang haba ng legs eh. Oh. Ay, puting isa na ito.
Problema mo na yan. Sige na, akyat na.
Nandun.
Actually, I came here 2 weeks ago. But the weather is so foggy, so the pictures look very good.
Sige siya. Harapan niya.
The other side. Thank you.
Okay. See you up here later. Bye. What's your name anyway? Anu. I have an Indonesian friend. She's Umi. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a common name for Indonesian.
She's been here 10 years, more than 10 years. See you in a while.
You're going down or going up?
We're going up.
I'm going up. Okay, bye.
Bye. See you.
See you. Wow, medyo madali-dali na lang siguro yan.
Hindi pa galit yun. Mas kalma pa yun. Hindi mo pinalalapi.
May mga tao dun sa taas, oh. Sabi na kasi magdala lagi ng ribbon, eh. Sige mo na, para makasama ka sa vlog ko. Tabi-tabi po. Ahay! Malapit na sa katotohanan. Lapit na. Lapit-lapit na. Loose! Stairway to heaven.
In your presence.
Tingnan nyo, nawasak na nila yung isang bundok dyan, oh.
Oo nga, ano. Lalagyan
Bundok.
niya ng mga building.
Bundok yan dati, eh. Ayan, oh. Tingnan mo, kalahati na lang.
Yan ang sa amin eh.
Oo.
Tanaw pala dito sa amin. Johas Park.
Oo.
Ayun pa yung tabing ngayon yan eh. Yung ano na, yung tabing dagat na yun.
Tatabunan din yon.
Papatay-patay daw.
Mukhang malayo pa yung mga kasama mo.
Who breaks the power of sin and darkness?
Whose love is mighty and so much stronger.
The King of glory, the King above all kings. Who shakes the whole earth with holy thunder?
And leaves us breathless in awe and wonder.
The King of glory, the King above all kings. This is amazing grace. This is unfailing love.
Naku, naku, naku!
That you would take my place. That you would bear my cross. You laid down your life.
Uy, tama na yan. Baba na kayo dyan.
Be set free. Oh, Jesus, I sing for all that you've done for me. Who brings our chaos back into order?
Who makes the orphan a son and daughter.
The King of glory, the King above all kings. Who rules the nations with truth and justice?
Shines like the sun in all of its brilliance.
The King of glory, the King above all kings. This is amazing grace. This is unfailing love. That you would take my place. That you would bear my cross. You laid down your life. That I would be set free. Oh, Jesus, I sing for all that you've done for me.
Kanina wala pa.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me.
Kaming okay, ah.
Once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see.
Kasi hindi pwedeng
Is the
sabay-sabay.
Lamb who was slain. Worthy is the King who conquered the grave.
Hindi pala pwede magtagal doon. Hindi pwede magtagal doon eh. Oo. Kasi maraming pila eh.
Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy is the King who conquered the grave. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy, worthy, worthy.
Yep. Oh.